Wedding cake assembly, yay! First thing I gotta do, lay out all the tools, make sure I got everything that I need, add a little frosting to that bottom tier. Then we analyze exactly where we want it, because these naked cakes, I want the perfect amount of cake and frosting showing. Then we attach them with my 2-skewer system. Rather than having to try and get a huge dowel through each tier, you can actually anchor them together after you've stacked, which is nice. I actually teach this method in my one-on-one wedding cake class to success. We cover everything from booking wedding cakes to assembling, decorating, and making sure you have a fantastic experience for you and your customers. Then we bring it over to the table. Everyone take a deep breath. Cakes can smell beer. Ooh, that was a close one, but we're good. We got confidence. There we go. Oh, the wedding cake high is real. Yay! Thanks for watching.